Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Java JDK in Windows 10. So let's get started. First thing, let's find out what version of Java we are having in our system. For that, just go to search and open your command prompt. Here type the command java space hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. So here I'm having Java 21 over here. So now I will just close this, and to uninstall it, just open control panel and here click on programs and select programs and features. You'll be having this search option. Just type Java, you'll be having this, and the version is 21 from Oracle. Right click on it and select uninstall. And after you uninstall, you won't be having it in control panel. Next step is we need to remove it from the environment variables. So just go to search and type environment. We'll be having this edit the system environment variables. Open it and here click on environment variables, and in some cases you will be having Java home as the variable name. In case if you're having it in system or user variables, delete it. And if you don't have that, under user variables or system variables, select path and click on edit. And here we'll be having this Java path, and as you can see I'm having here, select it and click on delete and click OK everywhere. And now just come to this PC, local disk C, and users, your system username, and here we'll be having the .jdks. If you open it, here also we'll be having some Java files and stuff. You can just delete this also, and that's it. Now if I go to my command prompt and run the exact same command java space hyphen hyphen version, it's not there, which means that we have successfully uninstalled Java. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.